Welcome to the Skilled MBA Entrepreneurship Case Study Series, where innovation meets strategy and ideas are tested in real-world markets. Today, we explore the journey of Thani Food Institute, a research-driven culinary pioneer in Thailand, as it navigates the leap from lab to table. The spotlight is on their breakthrough product, a passion fruit-infused vinaigrette developed using a patented powder made from passion fruit peel, a blend of nutrition, sustainability, and flavor. But the innovation comes with a dilemma. Should the institute launch this product under its own institutional brand, leveraging credibility and control? Or should it back chef Krit Anon, a charismatic culinary figure, in creating an independent consumer-facing venture, potentially bringing more flavor and risk to the market? This case explores the crossroads between institutional branding versus personal branding, control versus creativity, and the challenge of making science-backed products emotionally resonate in a competitive condiment market. At the core is a question that every innovator faces. What's the best path to move from discovery to desirability? Thani Food Institute's Innovation Challenge in 2023 revolved around their passion fruit-infused vinaigrette, crafted with patented passion fruit peel powder. The pivotal decision was whether to launch under the Thani Food Institute brand or back chef Krit Anon's independent startup, requiring a Thai baht 500,000 investment. This choice would shape their market entry strategy in Thailand's condiment industry. Explore the diffusion of innovation theory to understand market penetration of new food products. Analyze Thailand's condiment industry structure and competitive landscape. Evaluate new product development data and consumer insights for strategic decision-making. Calculate break-even points and develop effective go-to-market strategies. This case study targets Master of Business Administration and business students, aspiring food entrepreneurs, and new product development teams. It offers insights into entrepreneurship, marketing strategy, and food innovation. Students will explore real-world applications, while entrepreneurs with limited capital will learn product launch strategies. New product development teams will gain knowledge on lab-to-shelf commercialization processes, enhancing their product development skills. Choosing between a TFI institutional launch and an independent startup involves strategic trade-offs. TFI offers academic credibility, research and development support, and risk-sharing through partnerships, albeit with slower execution. Conversely, an independent startup allows for agile marketing and faster decision-making, offering greater creative freedom but with higher risks. Evaluating consumer interest against market saturation is crucial. Balancing health trends with competitive pricing pressures requires strategic pricing. Distribution feasibility involves assessing retail and e-commerce accessibility for niche products. Capital and scaling considerations focus on initial investment needs and growth potential, ensuring sustainable expansion. These factors are pivotal in making informed strategic decisions. Analyzing strategic frameworks, we identify early adopters as health-conscious urban elites or gourmet chefs. Break-even analysis helps determine profitable volume thresholds for sustainable operations. The STP framework guides segmentation, targeting, and positioning strategies for PFIV. SWOT analysis highlights leveraging sustainability and uniqueness as competitive advantages. Consumer research reveals strong product likability due to taste and health appeal. However, increasing awareness through sampling campaigns is crucial. Optimal pricing is set at Thai baht 80 to 100 per bottle. The primary target demographic is urban, health-aware females aged 25 to 40, aligning with strategic segmentation efforts. Our market segmentation strategy identifies four key groups: health enthusiasts, comprising 25% of the market, prioritize functional benefits and are willing to pay a premium. Gourmet cooks, at 20%, seek unique flavors for culinary creativity. Sustainability-conscious consumers, 30%, value upcycled ingredients. Lastly, convenience seekers, 25%, desire easy-to-use, healthy meal solutions. Consider 3 launch strategies. Institutional TFI launch leverages research and development credibility for a safer market entry. An independent startup uses personal branding for a faster, riskier approach. A joint venture partnership collaborates with local retailers or influencers for shared investment and exposure. Each option offers unique benefits and challenges. The initial investment for production setup is 200,000 Thai baht, with marketing and working capital each requiring 150,000 Thai baht. Achieving a monthly sales target of 2,500 bottles is crucial for breaking even within 8 to 12 months. Efficient distribution is a critical success factor in reaching profitability. Independent launch strategies pose financial risks due to limited resources, while institutional strategies may dilute brand identity. A non can compete by emphasizing unique health benefits and leveraging local agriculture. Innovative distribution channels, such as online platforms and health-focused stores, can enhance market reach. Sustainability trends offer a competitive edge by aligning with consumer preferences for eco-friendly products. Innovative food products thrive on data-driven targeting to reach precise consumer segments. Strategic timing and compelling storytelling are essential for market entry success. Balancing creative freedom with operational feasibility is crucial. Embracing sustainability trends offers a significant competitive edge in today's conscious markets. Begin with market validation through consumer testing and pricing refinement. Develop partnerships by securing retail relationships and influencer collaborations. Execute the launch with strategic monitoring and adaptation. Finally, scale by expanding distribution channels and product lines, ensuring continuous optimization for sustained growth. Explore Skilled MBA's extensive library of real-world case studies and strategic frameworks. Visit skilledmba.com for insights into market validation, partnership development, and launch execution. For inquiries, contact us at support@skilledmba.com or call +91 87553-00795. Discover how to expand distribution channels and optimize product lines effectively.